I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 in the Allure specification. So this car is free to tax, features Peugeot grip control which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get rear parking sensors. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The 7-inch touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, so that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.